Whoa.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got that so Santa would bring me that.
Did you ask for that?
Yeah, I asked Naomi.
You asked Santa Claus for that? Maybe not. Maybe Nani called Santa and let him know, huh?
Yeah. And he.
What's it gotta be?
More Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
Jeez.
That's the police headquarters.
You got more Hot Wheels than the law allows.
What's in this box? You never did open it.
I never did.
Look at all them Hot Wheels.
What's that?
Another one.
Whoa. What is it? That's the fire station? Holy smokes.
Now I got 4 boxes. I'm tired of doing these boxes.
You tired of it?
Those boxes?
I'm sure I can find some more kids who won't get tired.
So what,
You
want
sure
some
about that?
No
presents?
more things.
Tyler, turn around. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Love you.